Sometimes asked, okay, well, how do you generate your ideas? I mean, given that if you look at this screen, there are, depending on which broker you use, there are so many different products and services, so many different things you could be trading, everything from US Canadian dollar down to cryptocurrencies and US stocks, commodities, oil, and all the rest of it. Like I've said before in my webinars, I look for 12 to 24 different products and instruments which are not all highly correlated to each other. There's no point doing GBP Canadian dollar, GBP US dollar, GBP Swiss franc. I mean, they're all GBP trades in one sense, okay? So I look for lack of correlation, but also I'll look to see where our signals picking up on our favorite timeframes, which tend to be the 30-minute and 1 hour, though we've been known to do 15-minute bars and even 4 hours. But, you know, as I've shown in the webinar again, the best results often come from the 30-minute and the 1 hour. If you've not seen the webinar, have a look at pipspredator.com. It'll give you the latest webinar from a link on there. What we tend to do is we look to see when are the trends being caught, basically, because the markets can be incredibly volatile or they could be moving in synchronicity. And if we're seeing trends, even if they're just relatively small ones, being captured by the indicator, then we will know, well, I might want to put this product on our watch list. In this case, Barclays 30-minute bars. And I'll pick a few like that. And that'll give us a pretty good idea on what we want to be focusing on. And then, as you all know, once we pick those, we will scan the market. So what we advise private investors is scan the market for 15 minutes a day and pick 1 or 2 trades. Those trades will be based upon where the price is near the entry signal. Okay. I go into more detail on that, obviously, in other videos that I've done. If you want to see those, go to pipspredator.com. But the point of the process is there is then a systematic process in terms of how to find those trades. It's really where our signals, our momentum-based signals, are picking up the trends. There's no point trying to force yourself and say, oh no, I only want to trade the FTSE. If the FTSE is just going up and down, there's just nothing happening where we're picking that up. What's the point of trying to force yourself to trade it? So that's the way to look at it. The other places, obviously, people can get ideas on what I'm looking at, what we should be looking at, is they'll have seen from the trading manual that the apprentices have what kind of currencies I look for. They will see from the community website our latest trades and what we're looking at, and they can use that as a focus list, and which is also on the Telegram channel as well. If you don't know where any of those are, just go to pipspredator.com and you'll find all that information on there. Thank you all very much.